Well, the sun is shining, so we thought we'd get off the farm today and have a bit of a reset. It's still a bit sad at home, so I thought it would be a good idea to come out and get near the water, hey look, and enjoy some time. Just not doing much, we're just having a run around on the grass area. Look, everyone's happy. Could you slow down? Hey Lil. Ooh, it's nice, isn't it, Mums?
Yeah.
Careful. And also there's a power outage at home today, pretty much for the whole day, so we had actually forgotten about that. We got up this morning, made 2 coffees and some toast for Lily and Coda, and then the power went off, so we were lucky to get that in. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today, and it's such a relief that there's no rain. Water's a bit murky from all the rain that we've had. It's normally blue as here. I think all the people behind me are waiting for a seafood boat to come in. I think they sell prawns for like $35 a kilo or something, so there's heaps of people around. They've been waiting for ages. Oh, your hat blew off. Everywhere we go now, there's one of these birds.
It doesn't make noises.
There's always one of these birds around, and it's a bit strange. And he's nearly landed on Mary's lap before. There he is.
I want to hold him. I want to hold him.
Yeah, I'd like to hold him too. He's a nice birdie. Even at home around the veggie garden, there's one of those birds just sitting around the edge of the veggie garden every time we're out there doing his thing. It's maybe it's our little mate. Who knows? It's a bit of a strange one because we'd never really noticed them, but now they're literally everywhere around us.
It's a pelican. Can you say pelican? Pelin. Oh, it's flying away. Bye bye, Pelin. Got the flower, Leo. Oh, she wants to eat everything. Literally. That's right.
There because all the people are waiting to buy the seafood. Look. Waiting to buy the prawns, fresh prawns. Archie, come. Archie, come. Here he comes. The boys are just starting to come back to life. Hey, he's still very sad, this one. Aren't you, mate? Hey? I'm very sad. Hey, Jake. We're missing a little mate, aren't we? It's not the same. Hey, it's not the same, is it? So these guys, after the incident, spent probably 3 days on the bed up there, just literally snuggled into each other and not moving. So it's funny that the dogs feel it as well. Hey boys, helicopter. Hey mate. Hey. It was actually good to get out of the house today. Sun is shining. It's meant to be like this for a week or two, and I think that will help cheer us up, because on top of everything, and it's just a muddy bog hole at the farm. I know I keep going on about it, but it's just the way it is. Yeah, we can get outside a bit more now and start to do a few more things in the garden. Harvey's just got the fire going. It's starting to get a bit chilly at night here, so definitely need the fire happening. I need to, that pump's running for some reason, I'm not sure. What the heck? I need to water these seeds. My seeds are in here. So this is what I've been using just to water the seedlings. I just popped a hole in the top of it. I don't have a watering can at the moment, and I just give it a little spray and it works a treat. See that? So I've been keeping him in here. I'll probably be able to bring him out now, get more sunlight on them. It actually works quite effective. Don't want to overdo it. Get my seedlings happening. I'll bring them out into the sun tomorrow. The afternoon's fast approaches. We actually had... I'll just finish this. So the neighbouring property is building a house. We actually had a power outage all day, so we were lucky this morning. We got the kids' toast on and the coffee's in, and then the power went out. So that's one of the reasons we thought we definitely need to get out of the house and go and have a reset. So the power didn't come on till 3:30 this afternoon, so it was a long power outage. They were getting temporary power onto where they're going to build their house, and so all the workers can start doing their work. But yeah, it's fast. It's definitely time to head in. It's getting dark. It's a lot darker than it looks on the camera. It's just a short vlog today, just out at the beach and trying to change the mood, because it's a bit sad for us. And yeah, we hope you guys are enjoying it. Like I said, we're going to get back on the farm and do more work around, get the homesteading stuff happening. I'm going to head inside, enjoy this fire, get some dinner on. Ruth is in the bath with the kids, Lily and Kokoda just having a relax. And yeah, I love the look of this chimney. Well, the fire is on. Got to get rid of those palms still. I haven't got around to that. Hey boys. Hey. Hey Jake. So that's where I'm going to end the vlog for today. Like I said, it was just a vlog getting out and trying to move on from what had happened to us over the weekend. Sad, but we're trying to move on, so that's where I'm going to end the vlog for today. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to live, love and respect. Bye!